Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily find your Instagram URL in a very easy and clear process. So follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open your Instagram, make sure you are logged into your account and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now once you do that, you'll be taken to your profile. Here in the top you find your username. As you can see, it is in the top left side of the screen right here. Now we need to remember it and quit Instagram to open our browser just like that. Type in www.instagram.com and then / and then write your username correctly, just like I'm about to do right here. And this is basically my Instagram URL. As you can see, once I tap on OK or enter, my Instagram account will pop up right here. So basically your Instagram URL is instagram.com / your username. So basically that is how can you easily find your Instagram URL. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and solutions to your problems like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.